language, gender, and sexuality. Discursive from discourse. You have learnt it from our foregoing modules that the mainstay of feminist point of view, especially queers, is that our identity, social identity, our sexual identity, both are constructed by the way we use language. In other words, by our discourse. So in 20th century, throughout the 20th century, you have seen during this course that we have tried to support their point of view. We have tried to discuss gender identity, sexual identity on the basis of discourse and discourse analysis. But discourse analysis have many different ways. There are so many competing ideas about our social and gender identity. And if there are so many other competing ideas, rival ideas, to see the gender reality, definitely we have to expand our approach to gender and sexuality. This approach that we have to expand, we have to give space to more diverse ideas about gender and sexuality. This approach is new and it is a result of postmodernism or post-structuralism. I have already explained these terms in our previous modules. You know these things. The inclusion of competing ideas will help us understand the nature of men and women in social life, the reality of gender, in other words. Following domains of LGS need to be reconsidered, revisited in the 21st century. Okay, this is in fact future directions for the study of gender and sexuality. What researchers should do in future research? They have to reconsider domestic violence. Sometimes violence is not perpetrated by men. Women also inflict violence on women. We have discussed it. Harassment. It's not necessary that always males harass women. Vice versa is also possible. Domestic roles and division of labor. We have to revisit it, rethink it. It is not necessary that public life should be confined to males and home life should be confined to females. This area can be expanded. Males can join female area and females can join male areas. Male-female stereotypes that we have discussed in form of contrast. Male are brave, male are intellectual, females are coward, they are irrational, they are emotional. Such things have to be rethought. So these are the areas which we have covered in this course. These are major themes. But in 21st century, because of the influence of post-structuralism, which gives space to multiple ideas about the same reality, gender, in other words, we have to reconsider it again.